Hey guys, we're headed to the south side today. We got some shorts in the wires and they're popping fuses repeatedly, so we're suspecting that the wires are damaged. Hopefully it's just a real simple isolate and replace, but we'll see more when we get there. Alright, we'll see you on site. Here's one end of our bundle going into a 2-inch conduit. Here's the other end coming out of the ground. But tugging on it wasn't proving useful. We started poking around here. We think we found a hand hole. Yep, there it is. Go ahead and get that uncovered, and I bet our problem is in that hand hole. This one's got power. We're still looking for the one with controls, if there is one with controls in it. They might have put another handhole down here. We found another hidden handhole immediately next to the first. This one has probably got our control wires in it. So we'll expose him and see what's going on in there. It's probably a very vicious rat's nest, and that's why we're getting shorts on those wires. So we'll get him cleaned up and take a peek inside. Oh yeah. Wow. Horrible box here that's completely full of mud and debris and bugs and cockroaches. They're all hiding right there. Really didn't try and make this neat and tidy. There's a brad wire right there. Zoom in on that one. Come in close. See that where a rat chewed? Yep, perfect. And another rat damaged wire right there. You see that? So is that, see the damage right there? And right there? Oh yeah, tons of rat damage. Look at all that right in there. Can you come around from the side? Yeah, there you go. See the rat damage? Jeez. Yeah, wow, that's bad.
We went ahead and used a jet line attached to one of the damaged wires that we wanted to pull out. Use that wire to pull in the jet line, then hook the jet line up. Here you can see I'm putting a clove hitch on. Put a little tape on top of that clove hitch to keep it in place. And I like to put a couple half hitches. Little wires like this don't take much persuasion, so 1 or 2 half hitches taped up nice will do just fine. Then I like to tape the tip real nice so it goes in real smooth. We ended up just getting down to only needing to replace 6 conductors that were damaged. The rest were all in pretty good shape. So yeah, all in all, once we found the problem, we were able to pull out the damaged wires and pull in new ones all the way to their final destination. Get them all landed and connected, re-energized, and system's working good.